Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that's on almost everyone's mind: side hustles. You've seen the TikToks, the YouTube shorts, and the Pinterest boards promising easy money. And maybe you've even tried one or two side hustles yourself. But let's be honest, most people never make it past the first few months. They either quit or they keep their side hustle as just extra cash instead of transforming it into something life-changing. That's where the difference lies. In 2025, the opportunities are bigger than ever, but so are the distractions. The truth is, side hustles are not just about making extra money. They can be the very foundation that builds your financial freedom. The problem is, most people don't treat their side hustle like a business, and they don't think long-term. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to go from a small hustle, maybe just $100 a month, to building real wealth that compounds year after year. So you're not just hustling for today's bills, but you're building tomorrow's freedom. Let's start with this idea. Not all side hustles are created equal. Some hustles are short-term, like delivering food, driving rideshares, or doing odd jobs. Those are great for quick cash, but they don't scale. Other side hustles, however, are scalable. They can grow, expand, and keep paying you even when you're not actively working. For example, creating digital products, building a YouTube channel, launching a small e-commerce store, or running affiliate marketing through platforms like Amazon, Temu, or Pinterest. These side hustles have one key advantage: leverage. With scalable hustles, you're not just trading your hours for money. You're building systems, content, or platforms that work even when you're asleep. So the first big step in turning side hustles into wealth in 2025 is choosing the right hustle. Ask yourself, does this hustle give me skills? Can it scale? Can I automate it in the future? If the answer is yes, you've found a winner. For example, let's say you start selling products on Amazon through the Associates program. At first, you might only make $20 or $50 a month. That seems tiny. But over time, as you learn how to optimize product selection, write better descriptions, create Pinterest boards that drive traffic, or even run ads, that $50 can turn into $500. And once you know how to make $500, you can scale that to $1,000 and beyond. But here's the catch: most people stop at the cash stage. They earn, they spend, and the cycle repeats. That's why the second step is critical. Separate income from wealth. Imagine you start making $500 a month from your hustle. The average person would spend that on eating out, clothes, or gadgets. But if you take 50%, that's $250 a month, and put it into an S&P 500 ETF or a Vanguard fund, you're building wealth that grows silently in the background. Do the math. $250 a month invested at a 10% annual return turns into almost $50,000 in 10 years. And that's just from one side hustle stream. Now imagine you've got 3 or 4 streams going at the same time. This is how people who look ordinary end up financially independent, while others are still paycheck to paycheck. They don't just hustle for money, they hustle for wealth. And the beauty of 2025 is that technology has lowered the barriers. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You can literally begin with your phone and internet connection. You can shoot videos on YouTube, create designs on Canva, sell digital products on Etsy, share affiliate links on Pinterest, or build an audience on TikTok and monetize it later. But let me warn you, consistency beats talent every single time. Too many people quit after 3 months because they didn't see results. Remember, YouTube doesn't pay much in the first few months. Amazon Associates won't make you rich instantly. Temu affiliate links might give you $20 here, $30 there. But when you keep posting, keep learning, keep adjusting, you start to see exponential growth. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and slow, but as it gathers momentum, it grows larger and faster. That's what side hustles do if you stick with them long enough. Now let's talk about automation. Your time is limited. If you want your side hustle to turn into wealth, you have to learn how to automate and delegate. In the beginning, do everything yourself. Create the content, post the links, answer the messages. But once money starts flowing in, reinvest it. Hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to help with editing, research, or posting. Use tools like scheduling software for social media. Reinvest your first profits into ads or tools that save you time. This way, your hustle slowly transforms into a business. Here's a powerful example. Let's say your YouTube channel makes $200 a month. You reinvest $50 into better thumbnails, $50 into editing help, and $100 into promoting one of your videos. That cycle can turn $200 into $600 in a matter of months. And instead of spending that $400 difference, you take half and invest it into long-term assets like index funds, gold, or even starting a new hustle. This reinvestment cycle is what creates true wealth. Now, let's visualize this. Imagine you build 3 side hustles in 2025. One brings $500 a month from affiliates, another $300 from freelancing, and another $200 from YouTube ads. That's $1,000 a month extra. Over a year, That's $12,000, but instead of just using it for lifestyle upgrades, you invest $6,000 into assets with an average 10% return. In 10 years, that $6,000 per year investment could grow to over $100,000. That's 6 figures of new wealth just from being disciplined. But wealth isn't just money, it's also freedom and security. A side hustle can cover your rent, it can pay off your car loan early, it can allow you to work part-time at your job instead of full-time, and eventually, it can give you the option to retire early or switch careers completely. Think about how different life feels when you know your side hustles are paying the bills, and your main job money can go directly to investments or savings. And here's something important. Side hustles also build skills that make you more valuable. Running a YouTube channel teaches you marketing, content creation, analytics, and communication. Freelancing teaches you negotiation, client management, and deadlines. Affiliate marketing teaches you sales, psychology, and traffic generation. These are skills that not only grow your hustle, but also make you worth more in the job market. So here's the formula for 2025. Pick scalable hustles, things that can grow beyond your hours. Be consistent, don't quit after 3 months. Reinvest your profits into tools, automation, and long-term investments. Diversify your streams. 3 to 4 hustles are safer than one. Focus on wealth, not just income. Invest at least 50% of profits into long-term assets. If you follow this formula, 2025 won't just be another year of trying side hustles. It will be the year you transform your financial future. Now, I'll leave you with this question. Are you using your side hustle just to survive or to build wealth that lasts? Because the choice is yours, and 2025 is the best year to start. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who needs motivation to start their own side hustle journey. And remember, don't just hustle for money, hustle for wealth, hustle for freedom, and hustle for the life you deserve.